Good morning. Our hotel has been closed for 10 months due to renovations. Our reopening just got delayed and we've had to relocate hundreds of guests to other hotels, some of whom have left us negative reviews. Is there anything we can do?
Hi there. Thanks for reaching out and congratulations on that renovation. I'm sure you're all looking forward to opening the doors once again. As it relates to reviews that are earned during this renovation process, it's important that any hotel that's going through an extensive renovation really give thought and strategy to when do we want to do our reset. Doing the reset too early means that you'll bump into situations like this. So, if your hotel has already done a reset on reviews, these reviews that you're receiving about a relocation are likely with you for the long run. If, however, you've not done a reset and that is in the plan, these reviews will fade away. And alternatively, if you've not considered a reset, do note that a full renovation is cause for applying for a reset, and you might want to explore that. We hope this information has been helpful, and we wish you endless 5-star reviews.